Hi, I'm Joe Raffinelli, Director of Technical Solutions. I'm very excited to be sitting here with Jian Shaw, Macrosoft's CEO, discussing our new product launch for Visual Basic Migration Utility. Shaw has been with Microsoft for about 20 years. He holds patents for migration utilities that were developed under his direction. He is our thought leader and our innovator behind Microsoft's migration tools, process, and technologies. I want to thank Shaw so much for being here today.
No, thank you, Joe, and thank you for the kind introduction. I'm very excited to be here for our Visual Basic Morph launch event.
Before we discuss the utility, can you please briefly introduce Macrosoft?
Sure. Macrosoft is a technology firm out of New Jersey, Parsippany. We are in business since last 30 years. We are Microsoft Gold Partner as well as ISO certified. We've been providing technology services to our variety of customers in Tristate as well as nationwide.
How did Microsoft start in the migration services business?
Microsoft in last 30 years have seen many technology era. And we have helped my companies to move away from their mainframe application to .NET based application, or you can say PC based application. We have converted many green screen application into the PC based application. Because of that experience, we have developed a tool called VBMorph, which is our Visual FoxPro application conversion tool. We started 12 years ago, and same tool we leapfrog into develop the Visual Basic Morph application. I'm sure that experience that we have over 30 years and 12 years of FoxPro desktop-based application conversion will help our customer to convert their Visual Basic application into .NET as well.
What do you think about the marketplace for legacy systems today?
I mean, as pandemic has forced people to move away from desktop-based application, or they have a digital transformation to move everything cloud because everyone working from home. These legacy applications still exist in these organizations. I can tell all size of company and the verticals that as of exist today somewhere. They have some legacy application and they are critical application and running up in their environment.
Given today's current digital initiative by companies, where will legacy systems live in their environment?
I mean, these applications, most of them develop as a desktop-based application. They're still running on-prem within their infrastructure. They deploy on their employee desktop and laptop. So you can say these are local applications. They exist there and they're running right from there.
Over a decade of migration services experience shows a great deal of dedication modernizing platforms. Please remind our viewers, what is Visual Basic?
Joe, Visual Basic is a third generation event-driven language which came out of 1991 and ended 2008. It got popular because of its GUI interface and ActiveX control and third-party control that was available easily in the market. It was a great tool and language. People have developed many enterprise applications using Visual Basic 6.
So Shaw, please explain the VBMorph tool and its effectiveness during migrations.
Sure, Joe. VBMorph is an intelligent migration tool who convert your classical VB6 application into .NET C#. Because of its unique tool, read your code line by line, but it converts the code logically into the modern technology stack using multi-tier application architecture and our Dazzle framework that we've been using last 12 years in the industry. Our tool convert the code 50 to 80% accurately, depending on how the code been written and the type of the application is. And then our intelligent developers who train, to stitch all this converted code into the real application. And then we go through our testing process to go run application side by side. And I always encourage our customer to convert this application like to like and then do the enhancement.
Can folks try the tool online and see results?
Yes, absolutely, Joe. We have developed our free Visual Basic Morph sandbox application, which is hosted on our website at migrates.net. It's a simple 2-panel application where you can copy your classical application code to the left hand side and you can convert and you can see the result on the right hand side. Anyone can go and visit our website and try yourself and see how effectively this tool is converting your legacy application code.
For additional information, please visit our website. Thank you so much.
Thank you.